My name is Barry Shrier, and I'm the Chief Executive of Liberty Electric Cars, which is based here in Oxford. Liberty Electric Cars is launching the world's first zero-emission, high-performance 4x4. So we're all about designing new technologies to put into cars to make them zero-emission. That is to say, to get rid of the pollution which ordinary piston engine cars give out. The ambition for Liberty Electric Cars is to develop new clean technologies which allow people to continue driving large, comfortable cars, but to be able to drive cars that are non-polluting. You see, the problem is that all cars right now, based on piston engine technology, cars which burn petrol or diesel, spew out a lot of poisons, of course, and make a big contribution to damaging the atmosphere and raising global warming and that type of thing. So what we're developing is electric cars which are non-polluting. In the UK alone, as an example, there are approximately 30 million vehicles on the road. So the potential is, over the next couple decades, to replace all the vehicles that are on the road today, all of which currently are piston engine, using petrol and diesel fuel, of course. The potential is to replace all those with electric-powered vehicles. So that would be both passenger vehicles and commercial vehicles. The result would be the elimination, quite literally, of billions of tons of carbon emitted into the atmosphere, and therefore it would be a result of quite a profound cleaning up of the environment and the atmosphere in the UK. And the result of that would be, as an example, a much healthier nation. There's a number of challenges that we're facing at the moment. As an example, the clean tech sector itself is a fairly new industry. And I think a lot of people don't understand how powerful the financial opportunities are in the clean tech sector. So the clean tech sector is new, but it's growing very rapidly. And the demand in business and at the consumer level for clean tech solutions is growing. Therefore, the investment opportunities are growing very rapidly. However, what's interesting is that a lot of investors, professional investors, aren't aware of that yet. So to answer your question, what are one of the biggest challenges? One of the biggest challenges is for the mainstream investor community to recognize how strong the investment opportunities are in the clean tech sector. One of the main things to do is to grow awareness about the clean tech sector. So as an example, the events that you have, like this Clean Tech Innovation Forum, is invaluable in helping people to understand the clean tech sector, how rapidly it's growing, and most importantly, how strong the investment opportunities are in clean tech. Today has been really valuable for us. We've not only met people that we were looking specifically to meet, as an example, potential investors, but we've also met people in other industries that overlap the industries that we're involved in. That is to say, people in sectors that are not directly in our sector, but are closely enough related to make it valuable for us. So it's been very worthwhile. In fact, better than I expected.